Where is my camera? Where is my camera? Where is my camera? Where is my camera? Why is it not working, camera? Where are you? Where is my camera? Where is my camera? Maybe in properties, maybe in no. Deactivate, activate. Oh, yeah. Here is my camera, here is my camera. And it's working again. Good, good. We have a camera now. And I'm in here. And I'm live from Warsaw-ish. Almost Warsaw. Not too far. Oh, no camera again? Or maybe, yeah, it's here. Hello. Hello. Refresh here and here. Statistics. No viewers. No viewers. Shame on you, guys, for not watching me. Not watching me and this lovely whale. Hello, whale. Hello, my new product. I will do later. And hello, Stripe. Hello, Stripe. Why don't you let me do payments and register my application? Why don't you let me do that, Stripe? What do you have against me, Stripe? That when I sign up, you don't really send the correct event to the backend to register new user. Stripe, tell me why, Stripe, you are not sending the correct event. Although yesterday I deployed it, so let's see actually if it's working now. Let's have 30-minute mail, and also hello, hola, just to fill up space to pretend that loads happening in the chat. Yeah, wherever. Oh, music. I forgot the music. Sorry. I know you are probably very anxious that no music is playing. And I wouldn't be surprised if you were. Yeah, okay, let's just have a czerwone jagody. Czerwone jagody, which means red berries. Oh, my chat rate is fun. Okay, so let's get back to Stripe. And not sandbox mode, because sandbox mode is not really necessary to me. So we have our Stripe. Actually, I don't have to go to Stripe now. I just have to go to my production. So product planner, this one. And let's sign up. And here, I'm just gonna make another corporation, and my user is, let's say, this guy, because I never registered him. Oh, okay, no, not this one, not this guy. Okay, and password 1 for now. Password 1. See, you can hack my app. You can just play with it and destroy it, because you know my password 1 with capital P. And subscribe. Let's see. So now it's gonna redirect me to the correct place, but what will it say here? Is it gonna say anything here? Probably not. No messages yet, unfortunately. So let's see if No, nothing here. So this means that my register event doesn't work as I want it to. So let's see my render, because render is supposed to have like a log. Let's see here, product logs, and there are no logs actually. I was expecting some logs here, and there's nothing here. Oh yeah. Is this backend prod? Yes, it is. Maybe it's actually in the database. Do I expect anything in database logs? Ooh, maybe that's actually useful. Yeah, okay, so it's 6:26 p.m. Yeah, 25. Yeah, okay, let's just give it to Grok. Let's see what Grok says. Yeah, okay, let's see like if Grok figures out something. Hi Grok. Does this... Hi Grok. Does this database with a log tell you anything useful? Yeah, whatever, because no. Can you, Grok, figure out what's broken in my middleware? Because I think that's a middleware thing. Perfect. Webhook URL is correct. You configured. If you still don't see those logs, check Stripe. Oh, okay, Stripe webhooks. Okay, let's see. Session ID starts with CS test. Is it? I don't fucking get it. I don't get it. User unknown. App unknown. Fuck knows. How can I figure it out? Where are those logs? Are they... Test the Stripe CL locally. Optional. Deploying. Try a new payment after deploying and share bucket. Oh, okay, so it actually implements something here, yes? Okay, yeah. So we're gonna have some logs that will be useful, hopefully. Update middleware. So where is this where's this log come in? Okay, so go to the Stripe dashboard, developers webhooks, verify endpoint, planner backend. Okay, this is incorrect. This is not where I expected to go. So, developer webhooks, okay. Yeah, okay, so like we have that sandbox, exit sandbox. And I will actually show it on a different screen to myself only, because I don't trust you guys. I mean to you one guy. So developers, webhooks. And this address seems to be fine. Edit destination. Destination seems to be correct. deny this endpoint is which actual this okay, let's just check that I'm sure that my backend is correct. Render product planner, yes, and yeah, this is my backend. Product planner be prod. Well, on render. Oh, I don't know. Hello, webhook debug logging. Okay, push. Yeah, okay, I forgot to push. Git status. Yeah, okay, yeah, okay, let it build. Let it build again. January 4th. Is it like on or what? Events. Okay, deploying. Okay, so I'm deploying now. Deploy. Okay, it says it's live, but I thought it says deploying, just page earlier. Here it says deployed. Okay, 1 minute ago. Good. Okay, let's just try now. I wonder where so yeah, it's actually registered. So let's just register a new one. Product planner one. This. Corpse. Yes, that's a good one. That's a perfect description of my current backend. 30 minutes more. Yep. Copy. Password 1. Password 1. Yes. Pay and subscribe. And did we get anything? Let's see my email. Did we get anything here? No, we didn't. Refresh. Maybe refresh will do. Or maybe refresh again. Maybe if I press 7 times refresh. No, 7 times didn't help. So this means that there's still something wrong with my backend. Even pressing 7 times refresh didn't really actually help. And I'm not sure if I should actually webhook to upgrade Stripe webhook URL to. Oh, but it's actually, this is what it is. Yeah, let's see again. Is it? Yeah, this is the destination name. Whimsical breeze. After you update your webhook URL in Stripe and try new payment, check your backend logs on render. You should see. Okay, let's see if I see. So yeah, it's not here, it's not here, it's not here. Let's see this one here. And those logs should say something new, and they said nothing new. Yeah, this is what I see. These are my logs. Those are my logs on backend render. Ooh. Yeah, there's nothing like you expect me, Grok, to do. Yeah, I did. Git push. Yes, I did that. Oh, okay, so there's new code. Yeah, so... so let's see my events. Yeah, there's another one. Good. Hmm. Yep, so let's see. Are you deployed? No. Life of the developer is a hard one. No one is actually watching me today. Only 5 views so far. No subscribers. No comments. I don't even have to talk anymore, you know? I can just like show you this guy driving this heavy truck. Or we can just like look at my other video from other day. Or we can just watch Top Gear. Yeah, Top Gear is good. Or maybe this one. Why movies used to look better, a lot better. Yes, because they had practical. And they didn't waste time on, because like now it's a crutch. Like they do 3D effects and they think that they can do everything there, and they can't. Oh, this is cool. Yeah, so just so much cool stuff. And Top Gear is the best. Now I'm the best. My podcast is the best. So please don't insult me. Hi there. How are you today? Are you new? Yeah, I think you are new. I haven't seen you yet. So yeah. How are you doing? Building any SaaS today, or is it just me? On Sunday, instead of spending time with family, I'm just programming this crap, trying to get my webhooks working, which is not always easy. Turns out. Pretty fine though. Good. What are you up to? Because like I'm deploying it again. Okay, I think I did. Rust, come on, no one needs Rust. Everyone is talking that it's cool, but like no one is using it actually. Everyone is still using Java and C# and maybe Python. Like they pretend that they actually wanna do Rust, and then they actually don't. So you know. No, I'm just kidding. Just do whatever you find interesting. Rust seems cool. And I like Rust because it looks like JavaScript. This is my controversial opinion, I think, because I actually shared with people, and they said that it doesn't, but I think it does actually. Good. Yeah, React is shit. It's useful, but it's not. After latest CVE, what's CVE? Commercial. What's CVE? Let's see. Stands for security, cyber security. Is it? Is there like some cyber security stuff? And so what happened? So it's like insecure now, like broken. Common like a list of dictionary published. Yeah, okay, maybe. So how Rust protects you from that? Because you still have to do front end anyway, like, you know, so it's just, yeah, whatever. Okay, let's not get into that topic. I know nothing about the latest React shit, so I'm not gonna be pretending that I'm an expert there. I got stuck on sort of the React knowledge from 2021 maybe, and I'm about that, you know, like since they actually moved to hooks and use state and stuff, I kind of stuck there. I didn't update my knowledge very much, you know. It's just like I've been doing it, I've been using it, and then I just kind of stayed there. It's a UI library, so yeah, okay, deployed, good. Okay, let's just create a new user again. New, okay. Oh, I can create one. Yeah, let's have another one. User 7. Okay, let's try this one. Corpse. Yes, Corpse was good. That's the new brand. User 7DA. And password 1. Yeah, let's be secure. In Rust, instead use state, use effect. You have nice leptos lib for frontend that has signals. Okay, good. Signals. What are signals actually? Did I ever use it anywhere? It's just like oh shit. But I didn't really still understand it. Yeah, cool. Yeah, I don't. Yeah. It's like one of those things that sounds fancy, but it's probably pretty easy. But where are my logs? It's supposed to be. Yeah, still not logging that stuff. Basically, like my webhooks doesn't send. I'm not getting webhook when I register user. I'm not getting like a update here. And it's annoying because it's like second day I'm actually stuck on this problem. So like this is actually like one of the last things I have to do in order for it to work as a you know, I can sell it and shit, you know, but like because this, like, okay, he tells me that this will be actually, yeah, let's go back here. So he's telling me that this will be on logs on render. No, it's backend render. So I'm supposed to see this after registering, and I don't see it. So it's like either not logging what I expect it to be logged. Perfect. Has changes deployed. Now try new payment and check your backend logs. You should see detailed logs like. No, I don't have those. I have none of those actually. If you check out even being processed but still not user created, there might be an error in user creation logic. If you don't see any check, but user creating logic was working on my second and dev environment in current form. This might, okay. I'm using Grok Code Fast 1. I don't really see the difference anymore. Like they seem to do the same stuff. Maybe I'll do Claude Opus 4.5 and pay 20 times, like, you know, maybe not 20, but 9 times more. I mean, this is free. But I used Claude Sonnet earlier and it was okay, but this one seems to be my favorite now. Because I think like with Grok Code Fast 1, there's Elon on the other side who's writing the code. I think, you know, Elon Musk is actually just getting emails with my problems. You know, when my code doesn't work, then Elon gets like a text message or something. Yeah, dev webhook probably points to yes. Prod webhook should point. Well, for me, Gemini 3.0 Pro works the best, but I'm getting away from the moving to NeoVim setup. Yeah, good. I think like Primeagen is talking a lot about NeoVim, although I didn't watch him for a while. Now, yeah, okay. Webhook events. Test versus live mode. Are you using test mode in prod? Your session ID show. Am I? Was it? Yeah, good. Okay, yeah, but I think like Rust is a good solution. I mean, good place to go, I guess. Why does it think that I'm actually on test? Create session. No, it's not on test, is it? Not found. Yeah, there's nothing about test. How do you know that it's test? Like, come on. How does it think that it's test? Like, but because it's not showing it anywhere here. Let's see logs for my backend. For my database. No, nothing here. I wonder if it's something that I should be worried about. Session time. Oh, probably I should hide that. Maybe I shouldn't show some of the stuff I'm showing to you guys. You know, you might actually hack me. Okay, Postgres unknown. No, probably you won't hack me with that information. So yeah, I'm safe actually. Nothing to hack here and here. So I'm just moving stuff to the other screen because I'm not sure actually if there are any passwords and stuff. And I wouldn't want to expose anything embarrassing. You know. So my boss is mad at me. Why does it think that it's actually... Why does it think that I'm actually pointing to test? Backend prod. No, this is correct. Fucking hell. Yeah, because here, webhook secret, no, Stripe security key. Okay, live, no. PK live, okay. Secret key, I don't know what that. Front-end URL, okay, front-end base URL is the same. So I'm just checking on the other screen. I don't read database URL. Yeah, database URL is correct. Is debug? Yeah, debug is still on. I don't know. I don't know what the hell is wrong. Wherever I'm checking and it's all correct. Unless it's somewhere in Stripe. Maybe I should compare my my yeah, let's go to Stripe again and go to my sandbox. The sandbox was working correctly, so I actually had those webhooks here. So this is backend, and I've got pretty much the same on the front. Sorry, on the not backend, I have pretty much the same on production. So this is dev. So I have like same on production except the production address. So that sounds good. There I've got actually six events here, not 7. Yeah, let's just compare that crap. Okay, this will be here and my production will be on the other screen. So like if you decide to hack, you can hack my sandbox, you know, steal my money from there as much as you want. And then I should be fine. So, Stripe. How is the music today, guys? Do you think it's good what I'm serving you? Or would you like to have more techno or something, like a bit more programming music? No, I actually like what's playing here. And like with headphones I hear it less, but I think it's good. Where are my webhooks? Here. So let's just exit sandbox. And now, because I've got transactions, balances, where are the subscriptions? Okay, so yeah, I'm getting all of them actually. Look. I'm actually getting all of those subscriptions. So like even my fake accounts. Oh, actually I didn't get the... Oh, that was the latest one. Yeah, okay, so all that stuff gets registered. Upgrade subscription. Where is it? Okay, I'll just move it to the other screen to see what the hell is this. Am I getting logs, events? Checkout session was completed. Customer subscribe to price. Yeah, I think like maybe there is. Yeah, let's check my webhook actually. Because I have no idea anymore. Like this is... There's nothing actually I can check now. Yeah, okay, let's try that. So here we've got checkout session completed. Yes. Customer subscription created. Subscription trial will end. I have one more event. Huh, seems fine. And here it seems correct. It's a song about there is a woman who is in love with her guy, and there's a tradesman, a rich guy who wants to dance with her, but she says that I love my boyfriend, which is very beautiful actually thing. And then there is a fight and shooting, so it's an interesting story. Hey, hola! Did you ever talk to... How are you today? Patata. 4504. Do you know any webhooks? Do you know webhooks? Because I'm kinda struggling here a bit with my Stripe, or maybe not Stripe actually. Maybe I should actually go to my dev environment again. Render dashboard, and let's see my backend here, because it seems like some events are not registered. Allowed hosts. Render. Okay, let's just try to register again, just to be sure. Copy. Sign up. I have to like sign up. Maciej crap. Yeah. Password 1. See how secure it is? Password 1. Create account. Start a free trial. Pay and subscribe. So yeah, I expect event to be sent here, but because I don't really know what's wrong, it's not being sent. Whoa, 6 viewers. Whoa, I'm popular now. Now 4. There were 6 for a moment. There were 6 people watching this, like me, struggling with my Stripe webhooks. This is amazing. I'm getting viral. I think it's more the music than actually my coding, because my coding sucks today. I mean, it's not coding actually. I don't really, because I've coded some of the stuff, and I don't really know what I've done in some places. Yeah, but actually this is not code. I think this is not it. This is actually more of a some variables actually. Environment variables are not correct somewhere. Actually, oh, maybe I know where. Maybe it's actually. Maybe it's actually in settings. And this one I will also keep for myself, because there might be something actually I don't want to share with you guys. What's the test? Stripe secret key. Oh, maybe I don't have it defined. Stripe secret key. Oh, I think I know now. 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 Is this just secret key? So I think I know now. Did I just say that? Like, did I? Is it the first time I'm saying it? I think I know now. Because environment. I was checking this fucking 20 times. So basically I've got Stripe secret key. This is the secret key, but it should be called a Stripe secret key, not secret key like just like some silly secret key. It's a Stripe secret key. Oh no, Stripe secret key. It is. Stripe secret key. So it should actually pick it from the. Okay, let's just do. Publishable key. Ooh, maybe this is actually. Oh, what was? Why didn't I listen to my Grok? Grok, you are so smart. I think it was actually Elon on the other side. Yes, I think it was Elon telling me. It was Elon actually all the way. Publishable key. Ooh, did I not copy publishable key? Secret key is correct. Hide, you idiot. Publishable key. Yeah, here, Stripe publishable key. Is this different? PK Live, SK Live. Secret key, PK Live. Let's check those. Oh, I should make a poll or something. How was your New Year's Eve? No, I don't have idea for poll. Jesus, I suck as a host here, you know. Okay, I think I realized what's wrong with my. I think I realized I'm wrong. What's wrong with my secret key? Front and base URL. Stripe webhook secret key. Shit, like it's. This is my other one. Publishable key, secret key, webhook secret. So this one. So I've got those two. PK and SK. Let's see. PK SK. Secret key, publishable key. SK test. PK Live, SK Live. Stripe, publishable key. It's PK, good. Secret key is SK. Why do I suck so much at this? Can anyone tell me? Should I make a poll about that? See, like you can be engineer for 15 years and not really know what the hell is going on with your webhooks. Doesn't really protect you from making stupid mistakes. Sorry for not showing you the code, but I'm kinda worried that you might actually see something that is not really recommended to show to people online. You know, like if too many people sees what I'm actually doing here, it might not be good for me. Okay, I think this is the one. This is secret events overview. Okay, I think it's here actually. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, let's see those. Okay. Some docs. Don't know. Shit. So I've got my publishable key here and secret key. PK Live, okay. Did you fix the issue of yesterday? No, I'm still on it actually. I'm still on it. I think I'm kind of closer, or maybe not. The thing is, like, I've got some For Stripe, there are those. Oh, sorry, that's my wife's stuff. She does nice things. She actually did it. You know, that's a hand. She did it with. That's a handcraft, is it? How we call it? And this is actually spinning nicely, although it's not connected. Oh, so I'm still actually fixing this thing from yesterday, which kind of sucks because I would like to move on. You know, start getting paid customers. Maybe that would be cool, but I can't really actually figure out which environment variable I'm actually having correct. You know, that's probably what's wrong. Yeah, so still kind of suck. Your overview done. Payment form, no. Yeah. And sorry for like doing stuff on the other screen, but I'm not sure actually what is the problem. I mean, it would be actually easier to solve it if I defined it well, but I think like I've got some like, you know, in render I have to specify those secret key, Stripe, webhook, secret and stuff, you know, and this is actually my test environment, and I've actually made it actually correct there. And so now this is, you know, this is my dev. So now I'm actually trying to do the same on production, and it says that there's like, it actually thinks that there's a wrong variable. Actually, I think I know what I will do for test. You know, I think I will test something now that might actually help it. Although this would mean that I would actually have some really important like secret keys in my code, which is obviously bad practice. But actually, I will try that for now and see how it goes, because I'm kind of desperate a bit, and I think like if this might mean that I mean, this will be pretty obvious then for me that my render doesn't pass my variable. My production render version doesn't pass the variable to the code. So that would actually sort of diagnose thing, make it easier for me to fix, I guess. Render. But I'm kind of guessing, you know, like, because I can't really figure out why my logs are actually not even showing on my backend. Yeah, just like a couple of things that I kind of, you know, I do so rarely that I don't really know what I'm doing. And yeah, that's probably it. Publishable key, let's try this one. Yeah, let's try this one. Publishable key, that's publishable key. Wow, 9 people. I think we are actually building, you know, making, despite I'm not even showing you anything that I'm doing, I'm actually beating my records, you know. I'm getting more and more people here, just watching the wrong screen. So I hope you enjoy, guys. I think this is actually blast for you to see the wrong screen and wrong data. But the thing is, like, I don't want to show you my my Stripe secrets and stuff, you know. That would be kind of stupid. And I hope, like, I'm not doing it. I don't feel like I am. You know, I can obviously change them later, but, like, I don't want to do that. That would be... So I'm actually replacing them. Ooh, this is not. This is actually for dev, so it's for sandbox. So wherever you've seen was, like, incorrect. So don't worry, don't try to hack it. So yeah, let's try this, and I will commit some code and see if it works. Oh no, that's no. No. Yeah, let's hide this too. Okay, yeah, this one. Yeah, so I'll try actually to send it within the code, which is stupid, obviously. But like, I mean, stupid. It's not that stupid, to be honest, because I don't feel like anything can happen. Update and vars. Just something might happen if I accidentally show it to you on the screen. But like, if I don't, I think it's safe. Try it on local machine computer. Yeah, the thing is, like, I tried it on dev, so it's actually working on my dev with sandbox and stuff, and it kind of registers and stuff. So, and I actually don't know how to do it. Do I know how to do it in my local machine even? And like, yeah, but so I have this like dev environment, this one, and here you can register properly. But when you do it on the other one, which is my production, let's call this one production, and it doesn't seem to do it. So, you know, I'm still sort of trying to figure it out. But I think I know what will actually fix it now. So I'll actually test that. So I actually I've put like my Stripe keys. There's 2 more keys that were hard coded. That I've actually put, you know, hard coded in my code for testing, and then like once it works there, the user actually saved in database. Yeah, this is actually what's not happening. Yes, so I get the event in here, but then it's not passed to my database. So yeah, that's something like that. Let's actually deploy my thing. I will actually deploy it now to production and see if it actually creates it. So let's go to render. You're asking correct questions, dude. Thanks for that. Let's see if it deploys. So yeah, the user is not saved in the database. And I actually thought that I had the same issue earlier with my dev, but it seems like dev was correct. I mean, it was easier for me to figure out. So like, it's funny because I'm doing it second time, and it's actually taking me longer, and I'm, you know, I'm more annoyed. Maybe because I'm more annoyed now, or maybe there's a pressure, you know, like the product is out there and I want to make money. How is the music today, guys? You like that? I can show you there's always like with this music, this folk music, there's always like a pretty girls on the, you know, singing and stuff. Yeah, this is nice. So obviously you probably appreciate what I'm doing for you. With the music, obviously. With the code, yeah, I think it kind of sucks. My podcast today, I think I had better ones in terms of like effects, but let's see. Maybe this time it's actually deployed, so it's a good sign. Let's try my production. Let's just refresh it properly. Never received correct data of user. Music is very low for us to hear. Ah, sorry. Corpse, yeah. Password 1. Oh, no, let's not do this one. Let's try a new password, obviously. Copy. Is it better with music? I should actually play it maybe on the password 1. Password 1. Create account. Yeah, let's pretend I'm paying. The event is actually pushed to the render. Sorry, to Stripe. But here I kind of expected to. Now I should get like email confirmation, and unfortunately I didn't get it, despite me actually hard coding the variables. So let's hope it's gonna come. Let's see my database actually, because like in render, not in render, in Stripe, not here. Let's go to Stripe. Yeah, okay, let's go here. So I obviously get those these events here. Oh, logs, yeah. Let's go to logs. Checkout session. No, events. I think this is the one. So I just had one now, 2 minutes ago. Checkout session completed. Yeah, so I think we created customer subscription created, invoice payment succeeded, invoice paid. This is correct. Let's not go too far here, so let's not show it too much. So this is cancel URL, okay. Is this success URL correct? Or backend never receives correct data of user. Yeah, maybe. Oh. Secret in your render backend environment variables matches the correct webhook secret from Stripe. Yes. Stripe webhook secret. No, it's not mishmash in terms of password hashing. I think the event is not. I think there is a. I think I have some incorrect webhook secrets, Stripe webhook secret and stuff like that. And I actually tried. I tried actually hard code it, but doesn't seem to work. And maybe okay. Ooh, do I have this one? Okay, let me just check if I have correct variables on the backend. Sorry, on render. Sorry, I'm just like trying to. I actually made music a bit louder, and it's a bit annoying now. I want you to listen to it, but like on the other hand, I don't want to. I want to be able to focus a bit at least. You know, that's a Stripe webhook secret. Let's try that one. Stripe webhook secret. I wonder if this one is correct. So this is my production, yes. Backend product. Yeah, let's just hard code this one as well. Up. Yep. Push. Yeah. Sorry, I'm just like testing it on the other screen. That's spoon coding, poor coding, poor fun. Yeah, maybe. What is going on here? Okay, basically like Ashura 5213. Basically, I have some problems with my production environment where I'm connecting it to Stripe. I think all my events seem to be working, but I think I have some environment variables, incorrect environment variables set up, and like webhook. Sorry, there are those secret keys and stuff that are incorrectly set up, and I'm kind of struggling to get it right. But I sort of do it on the other screen so I don't reveal them by accident, because that would be I would have to make a new account and stuff, so that would be more work. But I'm not sure actually, like I'm not sure what's exactly, like, which variable is incorrect. Like, they seem fine, you know, because I have them. Yeah, I have them there. Actually, maybe let me just check again, because maybe okay, this is my test. This is my dev. Oh no, that's just my production. So I think like this one might be Stripe webhook secret. I wonder if this one is correct. Maybe I'll just check this one again. Just on the other screen, so I'm not revealing them again. So let's go to Stripe on the other screen. And now I will exit my sandbox mode. Exit sandbox. What type of SaaS are you building? New here to kind of clueless. The SaaS is actually this is like deliveries for deliveries, for suppliers deliveries. So if you have like a business that supplies things from one place to the other, this is where you can actually put your products, register your deliveries and your people you deliver from and to, you know, that kind of stuff. So this is the SaaS world, you know, this is basically the gist of it. This is actually, and you're probably gonna think like, yeah, this functionality is out there, some Microsoft or whatever has built it already, and you will be right. But there is still like majority of small businesses just verifies that incoming webhook is coming from Stripe only, not Stripe webhook secret just verifies that incoming webhook is coming from Stripe only. Maybe, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, and I think I have it correct. I think it's being picked. So maybe that's something else. Yeah, so you actually might be right with that, you know. I think the secret seems to might be correct. Yeah, I just like I don't know. I just have no clue at this point. So I'm just trying everything that might stick. And this is actually something that Grok has, I think, suggested to me. Webhook endpoints. Check Stripe dashboard. Do you have separate webhooks for dev and prod? Dev webhooks are probably, yes, that's correct. Prod webhooks should point to. Yeah, this is where it's pointing now. Correct. Then it does not have anything with log credentials. If it is correct, then it does not have anything with log credentials. Don't know. Actually, I don't know that. Because I'm not sure what you're talking about. Yeah. Test versus live mode. Are you using test mode in prod? Your session IDs show, so you should be in test mode. Where's my like? Yeah, I'm kind of wondering like that, because does it mean that it's showing now? Session ID is showing this, but because I didn't share that with Grok, I think I didn't give it my session IDs. Okay, let's just play some music. That will it might get it easier. I'll just play it from YouTube normally here, so you can hear it, and it's not really just me that you know, it's blasting into my from my phone. Is user marked inactive? I don't know. Where would it be marked inactive? You're asking like really hard question, dude. Like you might know actually something that I don't. Actually, let's forget about the music for now. Let's forget about the music. I can hear my kids are actually going crazy, which will make it harder to actually debug. Okay, let's try this one. Yeah, the thing is, like, I'm getting quite a lot of, I'm getting those events there, you know? What's this, actually? response time. Okay, so there are some responses, and I'm getting some success here, and this was failed. Yes. So then I'm getting what seems like correct events, responses, but then like it's not being passed to my database. So and I don't really know why and how to track what's incorrect. And I appreciate your questions, but I actually don't know how to answer them. You seem to know actually a bit more than I do about Stripe and stuff. Oh, is this? Okay, this is correct. So this was correct. Stripe secret key. Yeah, I don't know. Shit. Yeah, it could be in Stripe webhook handler, or you can check schema prisma. In schema prisma, where is the schema prisma thing? Sorry, just a second. Ooh. Let's not show this. Missing. Check. Ooh, the fact that it works in dev but not either. Missing. Checkout session completed. I'm sure I have it. Event. Let's see if I actually have this event. Wrong webhook secret in prod environment. I think the webhook secret is correct because I just checked it again and again. So webhook secret. And this one seems correct. Yeah. So I think the last one, let me just check if I have this event. Well, that would be funny. Webhook. Event. Oh yeah, it's here. Edit destination. Event checkout session completed. Checkout session completed. No, I have that event. Occurs when, yeah. Okay. Completed seems there. Correct. Rect to. I checked keys like multiple times now, and seem correct. Shit, like what a fucking nightmare. Yeah, I don't know. I checked it so many times now. Yeah, even people are leaving me. You know, I can see that you guys get bored of me not knowing what to write. Check subscription views. Add commit. Add comprehensive error handling to check. Yeah, did it add anything? Yeah, let's try that. Yeah, okay, let's try that. Hit push, allow, yeah. Outline, what's this? Gig, push origin prod, yeah. Yeah, I'm on prod. Okay, it will just push it there. Yeah, it's there, perfect. There are 100 deployed. Yeah, okay. Success, which with new error handling, you should see there. But like the thing is, like it's giving me those, like, but they're not really there in the. This will tell us exactly what failing production. That's the most likely. Corpus are database constraints. Something different between. I actually let's go to my database, dev database now. Backend. Copy this one. Let's go to my dev database. Admin, and I wish I remembered my login here. Whew, that would be good to remember my database login. I can probably create a new one and write it down so I remember it for next time. Let's open shell. Yeah. Let's create a new super user. So I remember him. You know, that's a funny thing. Like when you create a super user, it's good to actually write it down. What's its username and password? That's very useful, I guess. But I forgot to do it, and I probably will forget it always. Where's my Polish folk music? Let's play. Okay, let's just play it from the phone again. Yeah. Okay. What's the Python manage by create super user? Yes. Let's create one. Why not? And write it down. Username. Let's just write one that I remember. Yeah, I'm still using old token maybe, but like old token for what? Like for, I think like let me just check. Maybe I'm actually registering it in old database. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's try. Let me just try the. I will actually check my dev database because that might be. I was just there. Yes. Here we are. Let me just log in on the other screen, so I'm not telling you even my dev will be good to keep secret. Yeah, so this is my dev environment. And no, it's not creating it here, which is a good sign, I guess. Yeah, it's good sign. Is it? Yes. Yeah. So it's not being saved in the old database, so at least it's pointing to the right database. Yeah, maybe that's maybe I should have known that, but I didn't. What's next? What's next? Okay, let me just read your messages here. Strie webhook secret just verifies that. Okay, yes. It could be a Strie webhook handler, or you could just check schema Prisma. I think the front end still using old token maybe. Yeah, it's me there. What could be the old token? What old token? Because I don't like I'm actually setting up any tokens in or any variables in old front end that would be there. Customer email. Shit. No, this seems. So. Token tells the backend is the user is allowed or not. I don't know which token actually you're talking about. I wish I knew that. So I don't seem to have any tokens like that. You probably mean some sort of like environment variable, but I can't see the one that wouldn't be. Yeah, okay, let's just try to run another one. Okay, let's go. Yeah, let's try this one now. Copy. Oh, yeah. Yep. Password 1. Yeah. Create account. Yeah, okay. Subscription plans. Okay, we got that. Okay, let's start with this one. Yeah. So the third token, oh shit, I don't know. 20 times. If I press it 20 times, will it work? Yeah. Yeah, programming like that is very, very hard. So, this is my sandbox, obviously. So, like, I wonder maybe this product's ID are incorrect there on the other one. Can it be? This is sandbox, so where did I register that? Okay, let's just check backend for the No, I don't know. Shit. This is correct, this is correct, this is correct. Debug. Database URL allowed hosts. Don't know. Fucking hell. Database constant. I'm not getting hosts. Those logs. Stripe seems to go. Events. Stripe does following events on events on I don't know. Echo, check your Echo where? Check your Stripe web. Echo where? Okay. Endpoint URL should be. Okay, is this echo for the let's try this in my shell for the production bucket. Is frontend sending wrong data on login? No, I think so. I think it's correct. Like it's user marked inactive. Okay. Frontend still using. Yeah. The frontend is sending wrong data on login. No, I don't think so because like this is basically the same setup as I had on my dev, you know. And I don't really see like where I see like all the values are actually up to date. Can I echo here? Yeah, let me just because can I check config echo command not found? Where do I echo? What do I echo? Dashboard, developers, webhooks, check. Endpoint URL should be. Yes, it is. It is this. Events, make sure. Yes, this one is sure. Test versus live mode. Since your session IDs are. Make sure webhook is in test. No, I don't get that. I don't get this fucking point. It's like so repetitive. Then the webhook is working and the same issue is code. Yeah, thanks for your suggestions. I don't know what to like. Yeah, okay. Yeah, thanks for that. Yeah, have a nice, good luck with your studies. If you don't see checkout session complete event at all, then Stripe isn't sending them. Okay. Yeah, I don't see them actually. Do I? Like, was it on the list? No, it's there. Yeah, it's here. What do you see in recent deliveries for event? Are they being sent to your production? for fuck's sake, where? Grog, come on, Elon, tell me. What do you say in recent deliveries? Where are the fucking recent deliveries? Oh, okay, recent deliveries. That's probably there's this object. Okay, maybe I know what that means. Where is it? It's alphabetical. So okay, save total success session recent. No recent deliveries attempts. I get any Jest 2 stycznia. Może wpadnę. On check. Get in. Should I get in? Yes, you should deliver attempt checkout session events. If your session no recent delivery attempts for checkout session, that means Stripe is not sending those events in your webhook at all. This explains that the webhook that handles user creation checkout completed isn't being delivered. Check this in your Stripe webhook configuration. Event list. Make sure completed is checked in the events list. Okay, yes, it is checked. Okay, maybe it is not. Events list. Where's my events list? Here. Checkout. No, it's checked. Session completed. Webhook status. Make sure webhook is enabled, not post. I don't think it's post. Double check it's exactly endpoint URL. Yeah, I checked that many times now. Yeah, add the destination. Test mode. Since your sessions are no. Where is it? SaaS test. Get that. Yeah, it's such a fun session today. I can imagine you guys are blasting. What are you building, bro? Yeah, I'm like today. I'm connecting Stripe webhooks to my. Trying to do payments for my application that is for delivery management for like medium and small businesses. So if you are delivering stuff from place to place, this is an application to help you in that. But that's a second day in a row where I'm actually trying to get this webhook thing working, and like I have it working on my dev environment, and I seem to copy every smallest bit of setup, but it still doesn't seem to work. So yeah, it's yeah, it hurts. Yes, that's what I can say. And yeah, the application, the app is pretty much built. How can I help? Oh, I don't know. How do you search for? How do you contact customers? How do they? Nice. Okay. Yeah, I think that's probably my next challenge. Once I get the payments sorted, like I will try to convince people that it's an app for them. So the marketing is most interesting now, and I have a couple of ideas how I will try to do that. And the beauty of you have to snide. I hope I'm not gonna have to do that. Yeah, I know it's probably what I'm planning to do is do it online and through Google AdWords, because cold calling is my least favorite thing I can do. So I hope I will actually avoid that. And that would be painful. So what I will do actually next, I will actually try to create as many good videos about my app compared to other existing apps, and try to start promoting those videos where Google Ads is much better. Yeah, I hope so. Sorry. I hope so. And I have actually pretty cool idea that I will actually do for promoting. And I'm quite good with videos and YouTube and stuff. So, and yeah, the fact that I have only less than 300 subscribers, it's not a problem because I actually worked on bigger channels. But what I'm planning to do is create those videos about different competing sites that are actually out there. Like, you have those Microsoft ones and wherever, I will actually make video tutorials that will actually show several of them. So like, when you have best sort of software, like video editing software for 2026, I can probably just pay to actually be the most popular video for that within sort of delivery industry. And I will actually compare like 5 apps, and one of them will be mine. And the idea will be, because I'm aiming for small businesses, is I will actually present mine as the easiest one to learn. And it's probably it's the smallest and least actually, it allows you less than the other ones, but it's way easier to learn, and you don't have to have a person to manage it. It's simple, it's simple. So like that's where my edge, I hope, is. And hopefully the thing is, like, I'm not aiming to actually overthrow like huge, for me it's a successful app because I just built it in like 2 months. It's a successful app if I can get 100 customers worldwide, which is probably doable, within a year or something. If I get 1,000, I'm a rich guy, I'm great, because it's just me here. And yeah, so like yeah, I hope it's doable. I have one already, so you know, let's hope I will get another 99. But like first, I need to get them to pay me, you know, and the webhook business seems to be a problem for me. Ah, I see the confusion. The CS test refers to the Stripe checkout session ID that appears in the success URL. Oh, when you complete the payment, you get redirected to something like, okay, the CS test prefix mean this mode. Oh, let's see actually if this is still my redirect. Did I get? No, this is okay. Currently, I'm getting this. Actually, I'm getting this oral. Yeah, okay, so I'm not getting CS test, so that's why I get confused. Now you are using live payments. That CS live prefix means this is real payment, not a test. You need to configure live webhook in Stripe. Go to Stripe dashboard, developers webhooks. Switch to live mode, top right toggle. Am I not in live mode? Yeah, let's see that. Okay, I'm not live mode. That's that would be interesting. That would be surprising to me, I guess. So, okay, I'm in here. So I'm in Planero. Okay, so go to Stripe dashboard. Yes, I'm there. Developers and webhooks. Okay. Webhooks. And where is the live mode thing? Let's try to edit it. Switch to live mode. I think I'm in live mode. Yes, I think to be in live mode. Yeah, I think I'm in live mode. Where can I check if I'm in live mode? Check if your live webhook endpoint configured. I think it is actually. I think it is, my friend. Status enabled. Is it enabled? Where is the status? For fuck's sake. Yeah, it is enabled. Because it's showing here, you bastard. Stripe webhook secret environment variable render live secret, not the test secret. Stripe webhook secret. Where's my? Yeah. Webhooks. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, it's there. It's there. It what? So what are you doing in like the delivery industry, logistics? Maybe I'll have to do it again, like from scratch. Live hooks use different secrets than test webhooks. Make sure you are using correct live hooks. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, seems like Maybe I'll have to redeploy it from scratch, everything from beginning to the end. Maybe then it will actually work, because I don't know. I don't know. I do not know. So I thought I know, but I do not know. That's the correct secret. That's the correct secret. That's the worst. It's using the correct secret here. Yep. Yep. It's a correct secret. Use different secrets, and yeah, once you configure the live webhook, try another payment and check recent deliveries for your live webhook. You should delivered successfully. Are you seeing live webhook? If you need to create, yeah, how do I create it? Yeah, yes, okay. Give me exact steps to do it. Yeah. Okay. Webhook setup. What? Why do you echo that? Open. Okay. Yeah, let's try from scratch. I think like I will actually throw this one away. I'm gonna throw this webhook to the bin. Webhooks. Throw this one to the bin. Delete. Yeah. Test with local listener. What's that? Okay. Go to dashboards. Stripe. Yes, I'm there. Developers webhook submenu. Top right corner. Yeah, I am actually echoing. Yeah, that's a fun. Okay. Click to developers webhooks. Yes, I'm there. So it's actually check existing webhooks. I just throw away. Top right corner. Fucking hell. Like, okay, create update webhook. Add endpoint. Add endpoint. With destinations. Yes, endpoint URL. Add destination. Connected and your account. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. Checkout session completed. Yep. Check. Customer session created. Check. Customer subscription updated. Check. Customer subscription deleted. Deleted. Check. Customer trial will end. Yeah, check. Invoice succeeded. Check. Yeah, I think that's how we do it. I think they changed. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, okay. And that's where we are. Endpoint URL. Product planner production description. Yeah, let's copy this description just to have it. By the way, you might not remember, but I have good memory that you taught me in around front-end dev. Did I? Who are you? I think I was actually teaching some front-end dev, but like, are you one of the guys? Are you from Pionki? Maybe. Okay. Yeah. Smart city. Yeah. Okay, what's your name actually? How the hell did you find me? Yeah, that's fine. Oh, cześć Kuba. Yeah, you were good actually. I think you were, yeah. Cool. Yeah, don't worry. Like, you don't have to do development. It's probably not healthy for you. See, like, see me actually now. I'm trying to get shit done, and like, then it's not working. Add endpoint, update endpoint. Yeah, okay. Copy and webhook secret. After saving, you see. Okay. Yeah, let's try again this webhook secret business. Yeah, nice to see you, Kuba. Nice to see you. Cool. Yeah, fighting against the AI. So what are you up to now, Kuba? Where have you ended up? Oh, DevOps. Yeah, okay. Are you DevOps? Like, are you doing DevOps? It's probably a good choice, to be honest. I mean, yeah, I kind of like what I'm doing anyway. What's CS? Counter-Strike? Are you studying Counter-Strike? That's a nice one. That's a good choice, man. Yeah, like if it doesn't computer science, if it's not fun, don't do it. You don't have to. Like, you can get the job, you know, in computer science without that. Especially now, like, it's kind of waste of time, to be honest. Yeah, let's try my new key. Yeah, let's try my new event because the old one didn't work. Render. Webhook secret. Yeah, add it. Someone needs to develop AI and upgrade. I'm kind. Yeah, I think that's a good choice. Yeah, just you should like, I mean, the thing is, like, I personally think now university, and probably this is what I was saying back then. University, unless you really want know what you want to do, it's actually kind of waste of time. I think you can do fun things without it, and you should like, I would do lots of networking. That would be much more useful than university, and maybe some traveling, and you know, avoid corporations and stuff. They are cancer. Yeah, CTF tournament for hackers. Oh wow, that might be fun. Yeah, then the hacking, actually, the friendly hacking. I mean the green or gray hacking, is it? Gray hat hacking. It's something that you can actually, like, as a consultant, you can actually make a good money. Yeah, you should. Don't go there. I spent too many years there. I might need to go again, but because I'm a father and I have to pay bills and stuff, but I'm trying not to actually. That's why I'm actually trying to finish this thing and try to sell it. Stripe secret key, Stripe publishable key. Yeah, I think it's a good idea. I think like it's a simple. And I think I can, like, the thing is like it's really easy to compete with corporations because they're so bloated. There's so much waste there that it's actually, we shouldn't be afraid of actually trying to get on and trying to compete and make products against them, because like they don't really do a good job, I think. So okay, this is my production prod. Is this okay? Deploy. Okay, so deployed. Let's see if this time maybe it will work. Not on this one though. Here, let's see if it's working here. And let's see my product planner backend admin. Actually, I have that email username. Yeah, so I have 4 of. Oh. Okay, yeah, that's the latest one. That's today. But then we didn't create a new one now, so let's see if this will actually. Corp. Again. Where are my emails? 30-minute email, yeah. Oh, not here. Yeah, this. Copy. Password 1. Password 1. Yeah, basically it's not being registered again and again and again and again, and now with new event still doesn't get it registered. So yeah, if I go here and see if there are any new events. Yep, there is an event. Yeah, there is a succeeded event. Customer updated. I don't know, I'll just send it like entire logon. Open backend service product environment. Go to secret webhook secret. Live webhook. You just copied. Changes. Go to dashboard webhooks. Click on your recent deliveries tab. Event art. Not test mode. Where the fuck is light mode? stock, and once this is done, your live payment should trigger. No, but it doesn't. It does not. It does not. Good idea. I'm currently moving from MERN stack, currently in my own stack. Solid in JS and full stack to labs. Oh, guys, dude, like you are so advanced for League of Legends. I don't really get why it's connected even. How is League of Legends connected with this? Yeah, cool. MERN stack to my own stack. Okay, Rust. Cool. Yeah, you must know a lot now, dude. Like you progressed. You progressed, Kuba. Oh, okay. Let's see. No email here. Maybe let's try other service. Mail. Let's try other service. But it's not creating. Can I give a grade? For what? This site is currently in MERN. My site? No, my site is actually Python and React. I'm not using Express or Mongo. Yeah, Django Python. Yeah. I have other one. I actually have other one in MERN, which I will be reviving once I'm done with this one. But that will probably take me a few more days. If I'm so successful with payments, if I'm this successful with payments over the next few days, Yeah, that's the old project I actually had like ages ago, and I recovered it from ashes of my GitHub, and now I'll be working on it again, which is cool. I kind of like it. Okay, no. Yep, empty. Yeah, I think I will give up for today. 2 hours of not getting anywhere. It's probably a lot even for a guy like me. Yeah, it's probably too much for me. Refresh. Yeah. If you need help, I'm up for something for CV. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, that's. Did you Can you invite me on LinkedIn? Yeah, invite me on LinkedIn. I might actually call you up. Although I'm not paying much now because I'm sort of transferring from corporate jobs to other stuff, which is very fun, but it's not very well paid comparing to corporation. Oh, okay. Startup. I get that. Yeah, I'm kind of paid for a couple of more months by my corporation for not doing anything, so I can actually play with that. But at some point I might need to end that. Make sure you're live mode. What the fuck is live mode in this Stripe? It is live mode. Are we? Maybe we are not. Maybe we are just let's move to live mode. Yeah, nothing here obviously. Am I in live mode now? Yeah, but I must be in Stripe. Oh, why am I here? Yeah, this doesn't matter. No. What are metrics? Oh yeah. Okay, I think I'm gonna. Will I give up today? This for now. Maybe tomorrow I will start from scratch with new production environment and deploy it again. That might be that might be a lot of work for facts. Oh shit. And then yeah, not here. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. Thanks guys for today. I really enjoyed that. I don't know where the hell are my registrations and why is it not working. Thanks Kuba for coming. It's a fun to see you. Once I'm done with this crap, I might actually let's chat. We might actually work on something. I'm very focused now on getting some income from that, but like I'm kind of I have this philosophy now where I'm planning to just build lots of small applications and just make few bucks here, few bucks there, and try to actually just get around that way rather than like normal corporate way. But it's hard when you don't know what's wrong with your backend. Okay, see you guys. Thanks. Yep. Yeah, I think I like that idea. Because it used to be, I used to look at it like you have to build something huge and then compete with Microsoft, and that's kind of scary thought. But like if you just build small things and just kind of move on, you might actually stumble on something useful, and then maybe you can build that on that. Yeah, thanks. See you.